Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.98 trillion, just below that $2 trillion mark, but we are up 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are finally starting to see some green across the board. But one thing that I'm loving right now is that if we're looking at the last 7 days chart, guys, we are in deep green, and that's definitely something we like seeing within the market. So we will definitely take that. So far so good, but one thing to keep in mind is we are still in a weekend, and you guys know on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board, so we need to keep that into consideration. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project we love on this channel, and that is Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price, we are currently trading at 0.05 cents, up 3.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 41 spot with a market cap of $3.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $206 million. So far, so good. We will definitely take a green day. But before we jump into the charts and really look what's going on within the price, I want to say that this video is brought to you by OKX Exchange. If you guys don't know what OKX Exchange is, it is by far one of the biggest centralized exchanges in the cryptocurrency markets. And, you could do literally everything on this exchange. Majority of the big cryptocurrencies and altcoins can be found on this exchange. And, it's a one-stop shop, guys. You can literally explore the world of DeFi, dApps, NFTs, and GameFi. You can buy crypto, convert over 30 local currencies into Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other cryptocurrencies in minutes using your credit card or other payment method. And you can trade your crypto on the world's most powerful exchange with tools for beginners, advanced traders, and institutions. And grow, earn high yields, access new tokens early, join on mining pool, or use your crypto assets for taking out a low interest loan. And lastly, learn, keep up with the crypto, and hone your skills with the tutorials, market analysis, and research. And I never promote on my channel projects that I don't believe. And I get tons and tons of partnership contacts. Hey, we want to work with you, Crypto ZX. I only promote projects that I like and the ones that I have used, and without a doubt I can recommend OKX to anyone, without a doubt. One of the best exchanges I've ever dealt with, and the customer support on this exchange is top notch. So check it out, link in the description box below. I'm sure you guys will love it. But now let's go right into the charts. What's going on? Where is Vechain going in the immediate short term? That's the question everyone is asking. And I made a video on Vechain about like a week ago, and in the comment section, we did see a lot of negativity in the comments because obviously Vechain has not been doing quite well over the past year, and a lot of sideways movement. A lot of people do tend to lose hope, but obviously, there are the day one Vechain supporters that no matter what are still going to stick around. And those are the people that are going to get awarded in the long haul. Because at the end of the day, guys, not every single cryptocurrency is going to go up with the entire market. Some projects, even really undervalued projects, get slept on. And without a doubt, as I have mentioned on my channel, Vechain is one of them. Vechain time is definitely going to come, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, because, we have to set aside the price for once, and look at if the actual Vechain project itself, is it developing? Are they making strides within the actual world? And is the product actually working? Are they implementing it within more and more bigger organizations? As you guys may know, they're working with some of the biggest organizations across the world. Walmart, China, AWS, H&M, BMW. Those are just to name a few. And we need to see if this is a growing pattern. And without a doubt, they are growing tremendously. Obviously, the price has not been doing that with the overall growth, but the time is going to come, in my personal opinion. Right now, one thing to point out for you guys is that we have been trading below the 78.6 for quite some time, since the beginning of this year. So January 22nd, since then, we have been trading sideways, below the 78.6, and we have not managed to break back into the 78.6 since that specific date. So now comes the question, are we going to break above there or not? One thing to look at right now is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is doing something very, very interesting right now, guys, and that shall not be ignored. As you guys may know, we did see a lot of volatility within the Bitcoin price over the past, couple months. We saw it go all the way from the all-time high that we saw on, November 10th, all the way down to the price of $33,145 level. And a lot of people are saying, was that the bottom? Was that the bottom? And are we going to continue towards the upwards trend and retest all-time highs now? Because we have seen a lot of consolidation occur within the price of Bitcoin, which I have been mentioning on my channel. The 0.50 has been a major level of support for Bitcoin now. And as you guys can see, we are creating higher lows. You can see clearly, and now we are testing this resistance once again at that $43,533 price point. And if we're able to smash past this, guys, great. But I'm not still getting excited. I need the price of Bitcoin to break above this level, guys, at that $46,200 mark. If we're able to break above this price point, guys, this price point right here, then, things can look very, very bullish. But until then, guys, we're not out of the woods just yet. And, this would mean that it would be the first time ever that we're above this level of resistance since the beginning of this year. So that's how powerful this level of resistance really is. So all eyes on this price point. A lot of excitement building up, as I have mentioned, within the crypto space because of this move that we're seeing right now. But again, I'm not convinced until we see that happen. But when it comes to Vechain right now, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked up some Vechain around the lows at that 0.038 cents mark on February 28th, you guys are already up, 30%. 30%, you're still up. It's not that you are not sitting at any profit. 30% is still something. And, a lot of people will definitely not take that because, you want to have 200x or like 100x right off the bat. I'm sorry, but that's not how the markets work. You need to have patience because patience does reward you at the end of the day. But in order for us to break out of the 78.6 zone, break into the 78.6, we need a move of about around 37%. Is that possible? It is quite possible if, as I mentioned, the price of Bitcoin breaks above this level. We could see the overall cryptocurrency market really, catch on that momentum. And I could see altcoins, performing even better than Bitcoin because, we are seeing the BTC dominance starting to tumble towards the downside. And if we see it pull down even further down, we will see altcoins, start to take action once again. So things are looking very, very nice right now for the short and medium term. If you are a major supporter of Vechain and you have done your due diligence and research and you really do believe in the project itself and you were wanting to accumulate some Vechain, now might be the time rather than buying it up here. This is where now, you want to be taking profits rather than buying it. So again, not financial advice. You guys do what works for you. But overall, things are starting to look very, very nice. But in order for me to be bullish and really see, a sign of a reversal, we do need to break into the 78.6 and start heading towards this level of resistance, which is at that 10 cents mark. Obviously, that is still quite some times away, But right now, we are going to take things one step at a time. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where could you see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year. And let me know what your thoughts are on the overall cryptocurrency markets. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love you all. Thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.